Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. After the official launch of the Galaxy Note 10 series in India, Xiaomi has officially announced the global version for the Redmi Note 10 series. It's going to be interesting that we are going to see a new device which is coming with a 5G support, and it's going to be the Redmi Note 10 5G, and it will support the Dimensity 700 processor inside. So the best smartphone that has been released today is going to be the Redmi Note 10 Pro global variant. It is going to be coming with a 6.67 inch of Super AMOLED display inside, which has a support for 120 Hz of refresh rate and 240 Hz of touch response rate. Although it was in the leaks that we might see the in-display fingerprint scanners because it's going to be AMOLED display, so that is not going to be happening. Rather than that, we are going to see the side mounting fingerprint scanner inside. Although the design is pretty much similar to the Redmi Note 9 series, which is going to be same like that, and Xiaomi claims that we have a new notch which is going to be even smaller than the last year Redmi Note 9 series. Anyhow, the front facing camera is going to be of 16 megapixel, and we are going to see a small bezels all around the corner and edges, and there is going to be a small chin on the bottom of the Redmi 10 Pro. Also, the front is going to be protected with a Gorilla Glass 5 protection, which is going to be absolutely amazing. Well, the front is going to be similar to the Redmi Note 9 series. It's the back that has been changed. We see a new camera layered on the back side, which is going to be holding 108 megapixel of main camera sensor, which is obviously going to be the Samsung HM2 sensor, and it's going to be pretty amazing. And also, we are going to see a 300 camera sensor as well, in which the 8 megapixel is going to be the ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel of tele macro camera, and 2 megapixel of depth sensor, which is going to be obviously the basics one. Anyhow, moving on towards the internal, we are going to see Snapdragon 732G processor inside with 6 or 8 gigs of RAM option inside, and a massive 5020 milliamp of a battery capacity with a 33 watt of fast charging. It's going to be pretty amazing that we are going to see the mid-range category devices are coming with such a high end of a battery capacity inside. All the other things are pretty amazing, but it's the price that makes these devices to be absolutely great in terms of recommendation to all the people. So basically, it's going to be coming with 3 different variants: 6 gigs, 64 gigs, 6 gigs, 128 gigs, and 8 gigs and 128 gigs of internal storage. And the prices for the base variant is going to be $279, next variant have $299, and the 8 gigs and 128 gigs of internal storage will be coming with a $329. So overall, generally, I think that the device is going to be pretty much amazing in terms of mid-range category, because 120 Hz refresh rate, AMOLED display, and 108 megapixel camera sensor in such a price category is absolutely amazing. Also, the build quality this time around is looking great, because front and the back are coming with similar Gorilla Glass 5 protection in here, so we can expect that this is going to be looking absolutely great. Anyhow, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion regarding the Redmi 10 Pro device? Thanks for watching this video. Peace.